Can all of you turn to page 132, question number 13. I want you to copy this in your notebook. Okay. I want you to look at this particular question, which is slightly more difficult than the rest. And mind you, I already told the class that if you cannot understand, you must go and revise and look at my video, am I right? So that you are more certain of your work. And if you still cannot, you're supposed to ask me for consultation. I said already. Okay, now let's take a look at this particular question. If 4x plus y equals to 3x plus 5y, find the value of this. Now, can you see that this question is actually quite strange? Because it didn't give you any value, right? So how am I supposed to find it? Am I right to say that? When I'm explaining, I don't want people to copy. I want people to listen first. Okay? Now, 4x plus y equals to 3x plus 5y. That means 4x minus 3y is 5y minus y, right? What have I done in the step here? I bring all the x to one side and I bring all the y to one side, right? Can you see? Can you see that? What is 4x minus 3x? X. What is 5y minus y? 4y. That means I know my x is actually 4y. Can you see it? What do you mean by x is 4y? That means whenever I see x, I can put 4y inside. Understand? Because they are equivalent. Can you see it? Okay, all of you look here. 3x over 16y. This is 3. Now, in place of x, I can put what? 4y, right? Can you see? Because of my presentation down there. Then, over 16y. Agree? Can you see? Okay. What is 3 times 4? This is a 12y over 16y, right? Which one cancels off? The y cancels off. But is this in lowest term? No, I can divide by 4. What do I get? 3. I can divide by 4. What do I get? 4. So the final answer is 3/4. This is something that you got to learn. Everybody clear? Alright, take this down. Take this down. So, if questions come out like that, we must not be frightened by it, understand? We must think of what kind of solution or what kind of strategy I can use for that. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now, you're already 3 months into my teaching, okay, and I think some of you are getting used to it already. Am I right to say that? My teaching is always like that. I give you examples, you try in the notebook at times, and then straight away I'll do the homework. And nobody is to tell me you're having the homework only. I don't only teach your class. I also teach 309 and 301. Do you understand? Okay, so I have many homework coming in. Clear? Okay, don't waste my time here. Alright? So I just want to know, are we clear about this particular situation? Yes or no? Now, why do I have to teach you this? Because next year, when we do something called simultaneous equations, okay, we will have to make use of this concept. You understand? I told you already, when I teach, I don't just teach for WA. I don't teach set 1, I'm teaching for O levels. Do you understand? O level is a 4-year journey or a 5-year journey. Clear? Okay, so that's for this part. And I have already concluded exercise 5A. Now, 5B is slightly more challenging because 5B is problem solving. That means, plus, you have to form the equation yourself. And after that, solve the equation. Okay, and write conclusion. That's called problem solving. Now, there are 3 steps to problem solving. Write this in your notebook. Number 1. Form the equation with the unknown. Okay? Form the equation with the unknown. last part will be answer the question or write a conclusion. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, so form an equation with the unknown, solve the equation, and lastly, write a conclusion or answer the question. It's a comprehension passage, but we must answer it mathematically, that's all. Everybody clear? Okay, I know all of you are experts in model drawing and so on, okay? But you must shift from the model to algebra. Clear? Okay, model is no longer that good in secondary school. I'm not saying that it cannot be used. Alright? It's not that good. Okay? Alright. Now, let us look at work example 4 and work example 5. I'm going to teach you how to form equations first. Okay? But before that, I need to introduce to you some terms. Okay? Now, first, what do you mean by consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers means one after another. One after another. For example, 1, 2, 3, they are consecutive. 27, 28, 29, they are consecutive. One after another. Okay, so if I let the first number be x, what do you do with the second number? X plus 1, right? Not y, we're not the word alphabet. It cannot be A, B, C. Then after that, you only have 26 numbers, that's all. Okay, so x plus 1. What's the next number? X plus 2. Do you agree? Yes or no? Because it increased 1 by 1. Copy on later. What do you mean by consecutive even numbers? Consecutive even numbers means this. Okay. 2, 4, 6. It can also be 100, 102, 104. Consecutive, one after another. Now, if the first number is x, what do you think is the second number? X plus what? 2. Then x plus 4. Is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? Okay. Next, we move on to the last one. Consecutive odd numbers. This one there's a misconception somewhere, okay? Consecutive odd numbers means it's odd. 1, 3, 5, right? I can also have 51, 53, and 55, right? Can you see from one to the other, I add what? I also add 2. Can you see it? So, my first number, if it is x, what's my second number? It's still x plus 2. Can you see from here to here is still 2? Here to here is still 2, correct? Then it's still x plus 4. A lot of people will think it's x plus 1, x plus 3 is wrong. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Because the difference between odd numbers is still 2. Everybody knows what I'm talking about here. Yes or no? Okay. Then I want to change this particular thing altogether. Okay? I let the middle number be A. Can I? Can be A, can be B. If my middle number for consecutive numbers, if my middle number is A, what's the number before it? Very good. A minus 1. Yeah? A plus 1. Do you understand? Do you understand? So, you must know how to see in algebra form. Understand? Okay. What if my middle number is y squared? What will be this? Y minus 2. Very good. How about here? Y plus 2. Do you agree? Yes or no? Now, what if this is z? What is here? Still z minus 2, right? What's here? Z plus 2. Do you understand what I'm talking about? You must know what it means. Everybody understand? The position of it and so on. Okay, now let me change one more. One last one so that you can understand. What if the last one is B? What is the one before it? Consecutive numbers. B1. B minus 1. How about the one before it? Okay. Are we clear now? Later on, I'm going to show you the 3 steps. Okay, the 3 steps. Okay. For all my questions, I will always follow the 3 steps. Alright? Okay. Can we now look at work example 4? Let all of you look at work example 4 now. Page 134. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 16. Find the numbers. What do you mean, first of all, by the sum? Sum means what? Add. How many consecutive numbers? 3. Okay. Let the consecutive numbers be x plus 2 and x plus 4. Now how come I let it be x plus 2 and x plus 4? Because they are consecutive what? Even numbers. Are we clear here? Are we clear here? Then what did they say? The sum of all 3 is equal to what? 16. Alright. So what should I be doing? X plus 2 plus x plus 4. Usually I like to bracket it before that I remove, because you know why? When it is difference in minus, then there's a difference. When you remove bracket, the sign will change. Understand? This will be equals to 60, right? Alright. Now if I remove bracket, it will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to 60, right? Okay, now look at. What is x plus x plus x? How many x? 3x. This one is plus 6 equals to 60, right? So 3x equals to 61 minus 6. Very good. 3x equals to 54. What is x? 54 divided by 3. Answer? 18, right? Can you see it? But you look, this is the first step, right? Let this then form equation, right? Second one is solve, right? Alright, after solve, what's the last step? So they are saying, answer the question or write what? Conclusion. What did the question ask for? Find the, because usually students once they solve, they leave happily ever after. That's wrong. So what did the question ask for? What are the numbers, right? Correct. Find the numbers. So what does this 3 dot mean? I explained to you before. What does this 3 dot mean? Therefore, x is 18, right? What is x plus 2? 20. Very good. What is x plus 4? 22. Correct. So, the 3 numbers are 18, 20, and 22. This is the conclusion. Are we clear? Are we clear? You cannot just say 80 and then that's it. Then you live happily ever after. That's wrong. Everybody okay so far? Okay. Now, this is step number 1, right? This is step, see, one way. This is step 1. Number 2. And where's my step number 3 is here. Is everyone clear here? Is everyone clear here? Now, if the question already let the unknown be something, then you don't need to go and let. No need to waste time. Everybody clear? But if the question did not say, then you have to let the unknown be something. Are you all okay with what I'm saying here? Okay, Alright, good. Then, let's take a look at work example 5. Before I move on to work example 5, I have to tell you something first. Okay? Everybody knows that speed is distance divided by what? Time. Very good. What about time? Distance over speed. What about distance? Speed times your primary school. I want to write down so that you can remember. Okay? Speed is distance over time. Time is distance over speed. And distance is speed times time. Okay. I'm going on to work example 5. Alright? Let's take a look at the question first. Okay? Now, plus, don't be too excited and want to solve everything all together. You must be systematic. Understand? Okay, let's take a look. Ali walked at an average speed of 3 kilometers per hour for 45 minutes. So this is the first information, right? Before running for half an hour is running at a certain average speed. That means we don't know the speed. Alright? This is the information, alright? Then the question says, if we travel a total of 6 kilometers, so total distance is 6 kilometers. The question says, okay, calculate his average running speed. That means I want to know this one, right? Everybody clear? Now, then let me just say something again. For an equation, the left-hand side and the right-hand side, there are no units one. You cannot put dollar, cent, or whatever. No. You must make sure it's consistent first. This side unit must be equal to that side unit. For an equation, there's no units. Everybody clear? The units will only come at the introduction and at the end. The equation itself don't have. Okay, let me just write this down. No copy first, listen to me first, okay? Now, this one. How long? What is the distance of the walking man? Alright. The question first part say Ali what? Ali what did Ali do? Ali walked, right? Okay, all of you look up. 3 kilometers per hour means 60 minutes walk 3 kilometers. Okay. So this guy walked for 45 minutes. I will take 3 over 60 times 45. Remember, I always do this over this times this. Now, look up. When I take this over this, I'm finding out 1 minute, right? Then I times this, I'll get an answer. Okay. Can you tell me how many kilometers? All of you. What's the distance for? Huh? 2, 1/4, is correct? So this is 2 1/4 kilometers, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now, I let the running speed be x kilometers per hour because we are going to find it. Okay? Okay. Now, time taken is half hour, okay? The question say alright. Okay? So, what is the distance covered? Distance is speed times what? Time, right? Remember? Speed times time, right? Okay? Now, if I times this one become what? X over 2, right? Alright, so this is x over 2 kilometers. Okay? Now, show you now. This is the walking distance. This is the running distance. When I add them up, must give me what? 6. Okay? When I add them up, must give me 6. Okay? So, 2 1/4 plus x over Okay, so x over 2 equals to 6 minus 2 1/4, right? What is 6 minus 2 1/4? All of you use your calculator. What is 6 minus 2 1/4? 3 what? Huh? 3 3/4? 3 whole 3/4? So, this one is divided by 2, right? When I bring over, become what? I must times 2, correct? Correct? Okay, times. What is your x? What is your x? Huh? 7? 7 and a half. So 7 and a half. 7.5 also can, doesn't matter. Now, do I stop here? What did the question ask for again? Can you tell me? Find what? His average running speed, right? So, average running speed will be 7.5 kilometers per hour. Now, this is what I mean by the units will appear here. Now, can you see the units appear here? The units appear here, but in the equation, there's no units. Is that understood? For the equation, you must make sure that the left-hand side and the right-hand side, the units are the same. That's all. Everybody clear? Okay? Now, because it's the first time you are doing this kind of problem, I'm going to guide you. Okay, but the solving part, you have to do it yourself. Okay? Alright, what's the number on the content page now? What's the number on the content page now? What number? Huh? 1, 3? What? 1, 3? Okay, good. 13, huh? Okay. So, can we write down 13? Today's day. Exercise 5B. Can you write down problem solving? Okay. I want everyone to take out a piece of booklet. Exercise 5B. We'll start. All of you get ready. Don't waste your time and daydream down there. Okay. I'm going to do question number 3. All of you read question 3 first. Don't do. Question 3. Read the question first. Davy is 4 years older than Siti, and Yihao is 2 years younger than Siti. If the sum of their ages is 47, find their respective ages. Now, after you read, right, you'll let who be X years old. Easier. Siti, right? Okay. So, let Siti be X years old. All of you write down. Let Siti be X years old. Therefore, Davy will be what? How many years old? Look at the question. X what? years old? Look at the question. 2 years younger than Cindy, so how old? X minus 2. Now, first, can you see I must establish this thing first? Can. Then they say what? The sum of the ages is how much? 47. That means I will have x plus 4 plus x minus 2 will give me 47, right? Correct or plus? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to remove the brackets. X plus 4 plus x minus 2 is 47. X, how many x? X plus x, how many x? 3x plus 2 is 47. Okay, can you solve for me first? Solve for me first. Do you get x equals to 15? Those who have done, do you get x equals to 15? Then I want to ask, is this the final answer? What did the question ask for? Find their respective ages. So, therefore, Cindy is 15 years old, right? What about baby? What will be baby? 15 plus what? 4. So how much is it? How much is it? 19. Yihao is? How much is it? 13. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, so you see, I let the unknown, then I form the equation, I solve the equation, I write the conclusion. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. Now, you go to unit number 5. Understand the question? You understand the question? Okay, I read you up. A travel agency is planning a holiday for a group of people. The agency received quotations from 2 coach companies. Coach means the big bus. Mayor Express and Great Holidays. Mayor Express charges $15 for each person. So let's write down what Mayor Express does first. Correct? Mayor Express charges $15 per person. How about Great Holidays? What did they say about Great Holidays? They charge what? $12 per person. Okay? Plus what? Plus $84, right? Alright. Then what the question say? If the total amount charged by each company is the same, find the number of people going on holiday. It happens that both total cost is the same. So I must let what be x. Let what I don't really mean. Let the number of people, right? Correct? Yes or no? So let the number of people be x. solve for me here. What's the next step? Can someone tell me? 15x, yes, minus 12x equals to 84. 3x equals to 84. What's x? 84 divided by 3. Answer? 28. Is that all? That's all. I must conclude what? Therefore what? The number of people equals to 28. Now, how do I double check if my answer is correct? My answer must be a whole number, correct? It cannot be 28 and a half people. It also cannot be negative. Then nobody is going. Understand? I don't know where are the people going. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So, that's how you double check your answer. Is that clear to everyone here? Am I clear enough? Are you all okay? Alright, read the next question for me. Question number 7. Question number 7. Can you see this one? They let the x be something already, so we don't need to let it be. Okay? Now let's take a look at the question. When a number x is multiplied by 4. Now when you multiply by 4, what does it mean? 4x. Let me look. 4x. Go right first, huh? Then subtracted from 68. Is it 4x minus 68 or 68 minus 4x? Yes, subtracted. So 68 minus 4x, right? Okay, now look at the question. The result obtained is the same. Is the same means equal, right? As what? 3 times the sum of x and 4. What does it mean? That means 3 times the sum of x and 4. It's like that, no? It's not like that. Like that means what? 3 times of x only. Do you understand? Then what's the question? Find what? Find x. Now, can you see this one? I don't have to let anything because the question only let for us. Can you see that? Okay? Now, can you tell me how do I solve? All of you, tell me how do I solve? 68 minus 4x equals what? 3x plus what? 12. Can you solve for me now? decimal? Yes. Okay, so you must think of the context of the question. Are we clear to all of you? Yeah? Okay, good. Next question. Question number 8. All of you look at question number 8. Think about it. Now, because I only have time to do until number 8, all of you listen up. All these don't try, it's not to do in the notebook. I want you to try and form the equation. Tomorrow I'm going to go through on the foolscap paper. Because I said if anyhow do that, it's not very messy, you cannot revise. Do you understand what I'm talking about? I just need you to, read through the question and try and form the equation. So tomorrow when you come, when I form the equation, you check if you are correct. No need to solve. Understand that? But I want to do question 8 now. I will finish. Question 8. In a school, the number of boys who play soccer is 3 times of those who play badminton. Okay. Let the number of boys who play badminton be X. Correct. Therefore, the number of boys who play soccer will be what? Good work. 3x. I got the answer. Very good. Do you know how I get 3x? Do you know how I get 3x? Yes, Can Okay, now let's take a look at the question. How do we form the equation? If 12 boys who play soccer play badminton instead, the number of boys who play each of these sports will be the same. Find the number of boys who play badminton. Okay, all of you listen. This one is interesting. Okay? They say 12 boys don't play soccer yet. You play what? Badminton. Fine. That means those who play soccer will become minus 12. But what about the badminton people? X plus 12. And this will be equal, right? Correct. Solve for it. Find the number of boys who play badminton. So, is it X or 3x? X, so therefore, boys play badminton. Are we clear? Now, why did I insist that you must write a concluding statement? Because the question can ask for how many boys play soccer, You understand? If they ask for soccer, is it 12? What is it? 36. 12 times 3. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Now, I've given you quite a number of examples on the foolscap. Okay, now, your aim, your goal for tomorrow's lesson is that you must go and try and form the equation for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 questions. No need to solve. I said try and form the equation. Why did I say that? Because in the exam, if you form the wrong equation, everything is wrong. Only when you form the correct equation, then it will be correct. Is that clear? You must practice your technique of forming equations. Everybody okay? Can? Alright. Okay, stop the videos now. You continue your work now. Okay, I will continue